Now let us understand how do you work with shards. So bytes allows you to use numbers from minus 128 to plus 127. So if you want to use bigger number than that, then you can go for shard, which occupies 2 bytes of memory. Now let us understand how do you work with shards. So to create a shard data, we use a keyword called shard, and let me add total marks. So this is just the shards variable declaration. And we did not assign any value. So to assign a value, we use total marks is equal to the range of shard is 2 bytes. According to the formula, it is minus 2 to the power of 15 to plus 2 to the power of 15 minus 1, which comes to minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. So if I want to use any shard value, this is what is the range. So I just want to assign 500, which exceeds the range of byte. So I am using it as a shard data. So this is what is a variable declaration, this is what is a value assigned. So both of these I can do it in a single line. Example, suppose I want to use short salary is equals to 30,000. So here I am declaring a short variable and at the same time I am assigning a value. So instead of writing that in two different lines, I can combine them into a single line. This is also a valid one, but not recommended one. So this is the recommended way of writing programs, but this is not the recommended way of writing programs. So this is valid but not recommended. So I'll just comment this out. I'll say that valid but not recommended. So if you want to define, so use like this short salary and then salary is equals to 30,000. So like this you define it. So now I want to print total marks. So I'll use S out, then I'll use total marks, and then I'll print S out and then salary. So now I'll save the file and then go and then run the current file to see the output. Now you can see that I got 500 as a total marks value and then salary as 30,000. But looking at this output, I can't know what is this value is all about. So I just want to be very descriptive to say that total marks are 500 and then salary is 30,000. So how do you print this?
Hey, thanks for watching our content so far. If you're new to Training Mark, we're the fastest growing technology training company and create content to help freshers like you to master the disruptive technologies like full stack development, AML, cloud, DevOps, etc. If you like the content so far, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon not to miss any new content from us. Like and share this video with all your friends. Let's build your career and the community together.
So in order to print this, we need to combine with a normal message and along with the value. So if you want to do that, how you can do is, you have to write whatever you want to print as it is within the double quotes. Okay. Now here I just want to say total marks are simply total marks. Now to this I want to append my total marks value. So in order to do this, right now it is giving an error, right? In order to do this, we use plus as a concatenation and then give some spaces so that it will give a better readability. Now here I want to print total marks as it is, so I have written this within the double quotes, but this total marks I want to print the value as 500. So every time I use this instruction, so it will go and then pick up the value from this total marks, and whatever the values I have, it is going to print it as it is. And similarly, I want to print salary. Okay, now I'll write salary and then use it plus and then give space. So I'll save this file. So once I save this file, so let me run this to see the output of this. Now you can see that we're getting total marks is 500 and salary is 30,000, which is very descriptive for any user to understand. So this is the way we print descriptive messages. So if you want to use the negative numbers for short, example, I'm just using total marks is equals to minus. So for the negative side, the allowable range is minus 32,768. Example, I'm now giving this as minus 33,000, which basically exceeds the range. Now if you can see the error, it says that, hey, you provided int and the required type is short. So this is exceeds the range of short. Okay, and similarly, suppose I want to define salary is equals to 35,000. Now actually this exceeds again the range because the maximum value I can use in short is 32,767. So now this also exceeds the range. So it is very important to understand the range of the data so that you can use the appropriate data type to save the memory.